Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about character encoding and decoding. You might be aware that computer only understand zeros and ones, only binary number, bits, bits. So whatever data we have, whether it's video, audio, images, characters, all are converted into bits. So in this session, we are going to see how the characters like letters, numbers, symbols are converted into bits. Suppose in the text editor you are writing A and you are saving this as a file in the memory. So internally what happens? A is converted into number that we will see. Then this number is converted into bits and these bits are saved in the memory. So this process of conversion from A to bits is known as character encoding. When you open that particular file, the bits are loaded from memory, then bits are converted into number, then number is converted into character. So this reverse process is called character decoding. So what is character encoding? So character encoding is the process of converting character, is that letters, numbers, punctuation symbol into bits using particular character set or char set offered by particular encoding standard, and converting those bits back to characters is known as character decoding. Both these processes, character encoding and decoding, follow particular encoding standard. We have few encoding standards or encoding scheme available, and I have highlighted those here: ASCII, ANSI, ISO, UTF-8, UTF-16, UTF-32. So these character encoding schemes uses character set like ASCII. ASCII uses ASCII character set. ANSI having own character set. UTF-8, 16, 32. All three having the same character set, which is known as the Unicode. Unicode. So now let's see what is the use of character set. So these are the character set I have mentioned here: ASCII, ANSI, Unicode. So Unicode is the largest character set. It supports more than 1 lakh characters. ASCII only supports 128 characters. That's why the Unicode was developed and other character set came into picture. And ASCII only supports English characters. It was necessary to develop particular character set which supports other languages, all the languages available in the world, and then Unicode came into picture. Unicode supports all the languages available in the world, the Chinese, whether it's Japanese, Russian, all the languages. So this is the character set of ASCII. ASCII character encoding uses this character set. It only supports 128 characters. So if you notice carefully, you will see it is having symbols, numbers, and the English letters. So what character set contains? So basically it contains the particular character, you can see these, and the corresponding number like A. So using this character set, we can get what is the corresponding number against what is the corresponding number of A. How you can represent A with the number. So you can refer this here, this section, you can see A here. You can, and A is represented by 65. You can also see A, B, C. So all these letters are present here, capital, and this side in small. So if you want to get the number of C, then it is 67 here, you can see. Character set is the collection of characters which contains the mapping of character and number. You can see it is also having the numbers here. So 0 is represented by 48 here. 8 is represented by 56. So this is 56 is a decimal, and you can also refer 38, which is in hexa. So this is how the conversion happen from character to number using the character set. This is having particular limitation because it only supports the 128 characters. That's why other character set came into picture. So if you want to convert Chinese letter, then it will not give you any value of number because it don't have Chinese letter mapping. So if you see carefully, it is only having English letters and numbers, symbols. And if you check the Unicode character set, you will find that the Chinese and other languages character mapping with the number is present here. This is what the character set is. So few point I also want to highlight is related to this character encoding. Code point. So what is code point? So basically, so this 65 is the code point. So the particular number against the character is known as the code point. So how many code points are present in this character set? 128, right from 0 to 127. These are the code point you can see. So these are the code point against particular character. Like 0, 0 is the code point against null. You can see this plus 43. 43 is the code point against plus. Now character set, I already defined what is character set. It is the collection of character which is having the mapping of character and number. Let me clear the doubt here. So here you can see age represented by 65. Then this number is converted into bits. And 65 to bits conversion is known as the encoding. So now doubt should be clear. What is character set and what is encoding? So character set is the mapping of character and number. And encoding is conversion of number to bits is the encoding. Using particular encoding scheme. Now we are left with code unit. So this is also important term in the encoding. What is the code unit? So we have seen many character schemes like ASCII, ANSI, ISO, UTF-8, 1632. Discuss this process. Age converted into 65 and 65 into bits. How many bits should be used to define this number? That is given by the encoding scheme. You have particular number and you are converting in bits. So how many bits you can use to represent that number? That is mentioned in the encoding scheme. ASCII is having 7 bits of concept. So the number is represented using 7 bits. ANSI is 8 bits. ISO is also 8 bit. UTF-8 is 8 bits to 32 bits. UTF-16 is 16 bits and 32 UTF-32 is 32 bits. So these are known as code unit. Suppose you have particular number 01. So you can represent this 8 bits 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? You can represent this 1 with 8 bits in UTF-8 ANSI. If you are using UTF-16, then you will represent this 1 in 16 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 times 0 and then these 8. So these are the 16 bits. So the same one has been represented by 16 bits in UTF-16. If you represent same one in 32, you will have the 32 bits. So this is called the code unit. How many bits you are representing particular number. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.